person of interest that was listed in the discovery of the body of social media influencer Slickianna Rushane Patterson has now been arrested by the police. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Rushane Patterson, the individual named as a person of interest in the death of social media influencer Slickianna, was captured by lawmen in Hanover early Wednesday morning. Patterson, otherwise called Chezzy, was arrested by the police at a guest house in the parish shortly after 1 a.m. Patterson was named as a person of interest in Slickianna's death on October 22nd. He was reportedly supposed to turn himself into the police last Tuesday. However, that did not materialize. On Tuesday, during a press briefing, Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey indicated that Patterson was expected to make himself available to the police on Thursday. According to the DSP Bailey, contrary to report, there is nothing to indicate that Patterson had fled Jamaica, and the attorney representing Patterson had indicated that he will turn himself into the police.
Okay, we have nothing to indicate that he has left the country. I'll turn you over to Mr. Bailey if he has any updates.
The matter is actively being pursued. We are at a very delicate position at this time, but what I will say to the public, that we are actively pursuing the matter. In fact, I can say this publicly, that an attorney reached out to me and indicated that he will take him in on Thursday of this week.
Rushane Patterson, the man named as a person of interest in the discovery of the body of social media influencer Slickianna, is expected to be charged. Assistant Commissioner of Police Clifford Chambers, commanding officer of the Area 1 Police Division, told reporters that Patterson, who was picked up in Hanover by the Area 1 operational team on Wednesday, will be charged following a question and answer session in the presence of his attorney. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.